Yeah, hi guys. Right now, I'm just starting to put down the first coats of resin, epoxy resin, and this is just basically to hold it what I need in here in place, and probably continue filling some of the gaps up that's too deep for the resins to fill. Basically, this is all I'm using at the moment. There are more resins on the way, big amounts of 4 liters, and that will hopefully cover the whole lot. But in the meantime, this is just the first coat, just to hold some of my items in here, and probably add a little bit more, like macadamia nuts, of course, because we've got a couple of trees outside that provides this simple items that's going to give us a bit of a brilliant directions when we finish. All we're doing is mixing it in a small bowl, wearing some gloves, toilet paper to wash off any excess so you're not spreading it all over the place when you're touching things, especially because I'm touching my phone all the time. But otherwise, come follow us and see what the final product's going to look like. You might be asking also, what's all this got to do with investments? Well, my friend, because business is about business, we've got to build a board table. Instead of buying one, we're just going to build up one ourselves. Business opportunities or business products or business process is just part of that criteria we're going through right now, building ourselves a boardroom table, utilizing our family names and important names that we wish to honor. Come follow us. See the final product later. So just before I can close this video segment on our epoxy table, I've just poured another layer all over the top, or the insertion where the magic is happening. And again, it's showing something, but still a lot more room, too deep, that I'm going to have to fill up instead of filling it all up with epoxy. I'm not saying I shouldn't, but I noticed there were quite deep area, like there, for example, filled in there, like more pine cones perhaps. So, but more importantly, this is my first experimental build ourselves a business boardroom table. Experimental, and so far looking quite good. I've used up the resins that I've got at hand. They're a small amount. I haven't been able to calculate it successfully, but now I've got more coming on the way that should be able to fill this up before I pour the whole lot that covers all over the edge of the actual table. That's going to be quite exciting, and to allow it to flow over the edges, it's going to be quite an exciting process. But already I love what I'm seeing. The gloss from the epoxy is absolutely amazing. The light just shines off it quite strongly. Follow us and we'll see what's happening. Stephen R. Ford from R. Ford Limited.